Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2022 LDV Deliver 9, stock number 6275. This ran from the 7th 2020 to the current shape. It has a 2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the 2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, front bonnet no dents, left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left rear barn door no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch factory LDV good tyre, right front guard no dents, right front headlight, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre,